Good morning, my lovely family. It is Sunday morning. Today's day is, what's today's date? 8th of October. What says the time?
7:19.
This is 7:19. We're out here in the street of Lagos waiting for this woman to bring out her hot jollof rice on a Sunday morning. Supposed to be embarrassed? No, it is jollof rice. I will stay here even if she brings out that jollof rice by 10 a.m. Even if it's 10 p.m. I will stand here. I'll sit here in this car and wait until that jollof rice comes out, because that woman's jollof rice. Hey, party. That's why I've not been going for parties lately. Because if I want to eat party jollof, I'll just come here and buy party jollof and I'll eat it and I'll be happy. Do you get me? Yeah. So we're currently waiting for this woman. And then Delight said that she wants to swallow me. Then she'll go home and tell everybody, that we're now free from Jennifer. Oh, I've swallowed her. Can you imagine the plan these people have for me? Me, Jennifer. No problem. No problem. Anyways, that's what's up for this morning. Yeah. If I have any other thing to say, I'll tell you guys. You people should watch my videos, oh. You people should watch my videos, oh. We're almost at 2K subscribers. You people should run it up. Run it up. What are you doing? You people should run it up, watch my videos so we can get our pin. We need to start, cashing out real quick, yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. Plans for today, I think when I get home, I have a video to edit for YouTube. I think it's a hairstyling video, I remember. Probably going to round that up so that it can go up this new week. Then I am also going to make plans for things I want to buy tomorrow in the market. I want to get this hair stretcher for my hair, because my hair is already growing out, and I feel like if I can give it that pixie look, give you guys some new styling videos. Yeah, you guys are about to eat real good, oh, so you should better watch my videos, share my videos, comment, do all that good stuff. Anyways, yeah, that's that for today. I'm not sure about what else I'm going to be doing today, but this jollof rice is what I know I must get before I leave this area. I must buy that jollof before I leave here. You guys feel me? Yeah, that's what's up, babes. That's what's up, guys. You guys, where's my spoon? Bring the spoon. I need to show them what I waited for, huh? You guys, the woman finally came home. Hey, oh my goodness, this is not my food, oh. Delight, this is your food. Well, I'll just eat it because all I have to do is return the meat back to you, because I don't want meat. This is so good.
Yes, it should be.
I should be what? Ashamed? No. Never. It's for the sweet though.
So we're going to take it inside here like
I don't care.
Jennifer, please drive me home immediately.
Have you seen me running on full speed? Sorry, I'm only trying to get home so I can eat my jollof food. I have passed the jollof on the street. There's just copy song about. It's your seatbelt, Miss Ma'am. Miss Girl.
Wait.
Okay, my love.
Chew.
So we're going home right now. Yeah. See you guys. Bye.
I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I joke body.
Good morning, my loves. Today's Friday and I'm about to leave for the gym. Currently 7 a.m. But I have a little other things to do after the gym, which is try to get paint. So I'm trying to work on my home studio, and I've been honestly looking for a good matte paint. My painter sent me one. It was ridiculously expensive for 4 liters, and I need 2 4 liters. And I'm like, girl, we still have a lot more to spend money on, so we're not doing that. So I'm going to Prestige Paint today. Yesterday I went to this other paint factory and it was not giving. So I'm going to Prestige today. There's a depot around my area, so I'm going to go there and see if they have the colors that I want to work with. Hopefully they do. So yeah, see you guys. The girls are waiting for me, so we have to bounce. Today is Saturday, the 14th of October. First of all, this package came in from Madon last night. If you guys don't fuck with Madon, I think this is the right time. But I'm gonna show you guys later when I'm like doing proper unboxing and all of that, trying it out. I'm going to Yaba Market today to get mirror. If you guys do not already know, I think you should know because I already stated it in the previous videos. I am fixing up my my mirror. I'm fixing up my studio room, so it's like sorry guys, this camera is stopping me. I'm trying. Do not operate while shooting. Fine, okay. Anyways, I'm fixing up my studio space / my office space, which is the next room after my bedroom, and I have already gotten some paint. I have got in touch with my painter, so I called a mirror person. He's at Yaba, so I'm supposed to go there today to make my mirror. I'm supposed to do I'm doing a 7x4 mirror, and hopefully I find where I can frame it also in the market, because I honestly don't want it to break, and I really want it to be able to stand on its own, just because of the kind of aesthetics I'm going for. I don't want to hang it on the wall, so I want it to be able to stand on its own. So if you can do like a bar for me behind it for it to like sit on its own, I would really appreciate that. Also, I'm getting some new lights. I'm changing some of the lights in the room as well. I really want this room to feel very, very cozy, somewhere that when I walk into, I will be gingered to work. I'll get all the motivation I need to work and all of that. So yeah, we're going to Yaba right now. I'm trying to call Ugo so that he can drive, because is it me that wants to be driving to Yaba? God forbid. Anyways, yeah, just because I want to be able to like put the mirror in the boot and all of that, so it's better to like just drive my car to the market. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I've just cleaned my room, I've cleaned everywhere, so I feel fresh, and I've just had my bath. So I'm just waiting on Ugo to like show up, and then we're going to hit the market. I'm going to be taking you guys through the journey. In case of any questions, anything, you guys should leave that in the comment section down below. So yeah, see you guys. Bye guys. Okay, so Ugo said to pick him up from somewhere, so I'm going to drive there, pick Ugo up, and then we're going to bounce. I'm literally just waiting for Ola to get out of the shower, and then we're gonna move. So see you guys. We're currently on our way to the market now. Yeah. Ola, help me out with this salad.
Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga.
Let me give you guys a backstory before we get to the market. So before I go to the market, I wanted to get a 7x4 mirror because I want it very big. But when I got to the market, I saw that the 6x3 mirror was already looking really big. I got this mirror from Mr. Fatai's shop at Yaba, very close to Access Bank. I believe there's just one Access Bank at Yaba. I don't know. But if you really want to locate his shop, his mirrors are very affordable. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll leave his number for you guys.
Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Good morning, my love. It is currently 6:30. Today is about to be a very busy day for me. I am currently prepping for the gym, and then after the gym I have to paint my studio. After painting my studio, I have to take my things to the tailor because I got some fabrics and I need to make some outfit with them, so I need to take them to the tailor later today as well. Hopefully today is great, today is good, today is going to be a blessing. Today I'm going to receive a lot of favors. Today I'm going to be happy and I'm excited for that. So yeah, I'm prepping for the gym right now, and I'm going to see you guys when I get back and the studio work begins. Bye my love.